Hi guys, I'm Mr. Hanks recording from home. This is for the lesson 4 of Unit 2, Chapter 2, the Populist Movement, and this is for October 3rd, Thursday. So we're one day away from a test, but today we got some pretty cool stuff to look at. We have two primary sources that we're going to look at. The main one we're going to focus on first is the preamble to the platform of the People's Party. Remember, we already covered several preambles already. We've covered the preamble to the Knights of Labor platform, and this is now the preamble to the platform of the People's Party. Remember, platform is just their beliefs, their goals, all that stuff in there in 1892. So for this preamble right here, because it's kind of a lengthy one, we have some questions to answer for it. That would probably take up the first half of class right here. That's what I'm aiming for, to pull out something. All the main ideas and key concepts. Good. So with our bell ringer, what were some positive and negative qualities of the People's Party? Even if you could list me 2 and 2, that'd be great. So just tell me some positive and negative qualities of the Populist Party. And here we have it. We have our big reading, the preamble to the platform of the People's Party in 1892. Awesome. So not horrible, but yeah, I do want y'all to read it in entirety. I do want y'all pulling out bits and pieces of evidence. And as you're doing this, you are answering the primary source analysis that goes with it, the content, the creation, communication, context, connection, and consideration, while keeping in mind these questions. And these questions are, what does the People's Party believe is the main goal of both major political parties in the United States, Democrat and Republican? Why does the People's Party platform mention the U.S. Constitution? Do you think this is effective in how they mention it? So just kind of read in there how they mention the U.S. Constitution, why or why not. What connection does the excerpt make between the people and the government? Why does the People's Party want to rapidly expand the power of government? And I think that's one of those dangerous concepts of expanding power of government, like when is enough or something like that. And on what points, you need to think back to the previous chapter of this, on what points would the Populists and the Knights of Labor have agreed on? So keep both of those in mind when reading. So kind of look for similarities and kind of similar goals, because remember, they always list goals in their preamble, okay? Like what are they trying to do? What are they trying to change? What are they trying to make better that they believe is going to be better? Maybe it is better, maybe it isn't, but we'll gotta see what their point of view is for this, okay? So make sure that you, as you're reading this, answer the questions and answer the primary source analysis, okay? Now, after this, we have something pretty cool to do in class, and I'm going to try to hold it up to the group because we're going to do a gallery walk for a second. Let's see. We're going to look for a second primary source, and this is excerpts from the Louisiana Populist Movement. So this is 1896. That was the second election for the Populist Movement. Tried to get involved with William Jennings Bryan. So I'm going to have these papers. If you can read them, you may need to pause the video for them. They're going to be posted all throughout class. All of these are very, very important parts of this excerpt. They all must be broken down. You're going to do a gallery walk, and you're going to reword them in your own words, okay? And yes, like I said, thank God we're getting away from that ye olde English context. And once all my students have read this and got it together, we're going to come together, and we're going to give quite a good linear pathway of what the Louisiana Populist Movement was trying to accomplish and what they were warning against. So there are 6 excerpts in all from this giant excerpt, and this, all I want you to do is just kind of break each one down, reword it into your own words, and you can put this in the conclusion. Yes, you can put this in the conclusion section right here where you reword it. So that's right here, right before the exit ticket. Make sure you do that. So that's going to be the second half of the class, doing the gallery walk and talking about the Louisiana Populist Movement and what they were trying to do. What was their goals? Did it differ from the main populist group? Because we're going to kind of see that grow a little bit, kind of leading into the 1900s and stuff like that. Louisiana doesn't really tend to try to let go of things too often and everything like that. For the exit ticket for the day, I want to know what were the main goals of the Populist Party in total, and were they successful? In what ways were they successful, and which ways were they not successful? Give me evidence and give me some explanations to that. And that will pretty much do it. Do not forget that we have a quiz coming tomorrow, Friday, October 4th. Okay? Very big day. So, I want y'all to kind of just make sure that you have everything kind of in order, ready to go for this quiz. It's 10 multiple choice questions. It's all straight from the readings, everything like that. Looking at key details like bimetallism. No other vocabulary words too, like domestic tranquility. Domestic is in the home. Tranquility means peace. And some other things too for this reading as well. And we'll kind of annotate that as well as we go throughout class. That's the whole goal of this. So without any further ado, I just need y'all to prepare for tomorrow. And I hope you guys, if you're still not here with us, I hope that you are having as good a day as you can. I hope everything's okay, and I hope you continue to grow a very strong mind and your very strong hearts. Please continue to live the arc away and always commit to it. Awesome. Remember, your success is our success, and our success is all of our success. Popularity. Bye, y'all. Have a good day.